"Oh, for us," he replied, "with regards to Musa's birth, it should be said that when Firaun realized and feared that his kingdom would fall by Musa's hand, he summoned the wizards. The wizards guided Firaun in the genealogy of Musa and said, 'Musa shall come from Bani Israel.' As a result, Firaun always ordered his men to slit the bellies of the pregnant women belonging to the tribe of Bani Israel. For this purpose, i.e. for killing Hazrat Musa, they murdered more than 20,000 newborn babies. However, they failed to kill Hazrat Musa as Almighty Allah protected him. Similarly, when Bani Umayyah and Bani Abbasis realized that the downfall of their cruel kingdom and empire would take place by Mahdi's hand, they set up enmity with us and engaged in killing and exterminating the descendants of the Holy Prophet SAWA, with this idea that amongst them they would be killing the Caim too. However, Allah does not let anyone from the oppressors to know his task save he shall complete, and they did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but it appeared to them so similarly during the occultation of our Caim. The Islamic human nation will at any time deny him due to the length of his occultation. Then some of the deviated amongst them shall say, 'The Caim is not yet born.' Some others will say, 'The Caim not only is born, but also dead.' Others who shall say that the 11th Imam was Barun will become apostates. Still others who would say that Imams are more than 13 will deviate from the true religion. Yet others will disobey Allah because of their saying that the Caim's soul has become manifest in the body of another one. The incident of Hazrat's Nuh delay is that since he asked Allah for his nation's punishment, Allah sent Jibreel Gabriel with 7 date seeds. Jibreel said, 'O Nuh, Allah, the Exalted says, these people are my slaves and my created ones. I do not wish to destroy my slaves in a lightning, but after underlining invitation and completion of argumentation. So continue inviting your nation until I bestow my rewards upon you. Plant these seeds because you will attain salvation and deliverance after they become trees and bear their fruits. Give glad tidings about this matter to your believing follower.' When a long time passed, and those seeds turned into strong trees possessing leaves, branches and stalks, and the trees began to bear dates, Hazrat Nuh asked Allah to fulfill his promise. For the second time, Allah ordered Nuh to sow fresh date seeds yet again. He ordered him to strive and adopt patience in this regard, and to inform this matter to his believing followers. When Hazrat Nuh followed these instructions, 300 of his men turned apostates, and they said, if what Nuh claims happens to be the truth, his Lord would not have broken his promise. Each time a group turned apostates, Allah commanded Hazrat Nuh to sow seeds from the dates of the previous trees. This continued until the number of true believers remained only 70 or above, 100. Allah revealed to Hazrat Nuh as such, 'Now the brightness of dawn has obviated the darkness of night, since the truth has been established and faith has been purified, except those whose nature are malicious and gloomy. If I had destroyed the unbelievers and spared this group who had brought faith in you and then turned apostates, I would not have been true to my previous promise made to your true believers, those whose monotheistic belief was based on sincerity and who had clung to the rope of your prophethood. My promise is to make them vicegerents over the earth, give strength to their religion, and turn their fear and anxiety into tranquility, so that doubt and uncertainty is obviated from their hearts, and they become sincere in their worship for me. How could it be for me to make them successors, give them strength, and turn their fear into security, while being aware of the shaky faith and evil nature of those who had turned apostates? If at the time of giving succession to the disbelievers I had given the kingdom to the believers, pride and discord would have overtaken them. A series of afflictions would have become strong in their hearts, and they would have created enmity with their brothers and battled with them for gaining power. If seditions had arisen and battles had taken place, how was it possible for the believers to issue commands, and how was it feasible to follow the religion? Such was not possible. Now, by our commands, you may start building a ship,